Good morning, SK. I'm Naomi.
And I'm Levi. This week has some big events like DECA testing.
And next week, there will be an informational night for returning students.
Hear about those events and more coming up on WTV.
To start us off, if you missed your chance to buy a parking pass earlier in the year, you can add your name to a list in the security office to apply for one. The cost is $30 and security will draw the winners from a hat. Attention 10th and 11th graders. The school is hosting a night for returning students on January 14th. The meeting time for juniors will be at 5 p.m. in the main theater and 6 p.m. in the library. And for sophomores, their meeting time will be at 6 p.m. in the main theater. Speaking of returning students, West Sound Tech priority registration for returning students is up and running. If you wish to return to West Sound Tech, you must submit your application by February 11th.
Listen up, seniors. If you're interested in a senior recognition ad in the yearbook, the deadline is quickly approaching. If you would like to be recognized with family photos, cherished childhood photos, and a special note, please be sure to submit your ad before the end of January. As we come back from winter break, it's always good to remember that kindness goes a long way.
Need something?
Well, I found your wallet.
How did I drop this? Thank you, man.
Kind gestures can go a long way, so stay kind, SK. In sports news, sadly, we don't have any results. In the schedule of events, today, girls basketball will be away at Olympia and boys basketball will face Olympia at home. Tomorrow, flag football will face Spanaway Lake here at home. Boys wrestling will take on Curtis at home and girls wrestling will be away at Curtis.
On January 15th, the Kitsap ABC Scholarship becomes available and 6 students will be able to win up to $5,000. The Blue Ribbon Scholarships are due at the end of the month, and there are several scholarships rolled into a single application. You will be automatically entered into the scholarships you qualify for based on the information provided by you. For more information, visit the Career Center. In club news, DECA testing is still underway. Tomorrow is the day for any makeup testing, and on Thursday, officers will be discussing last-minute details for area competition during their meeting. Speaking of DECA, stop by and try this week's froyo flavors: cake batter, Hawaiian pineapple, and swirl. Key Club will be having a mod pizza takeover all day on Wednesday at the Gig Harbor Mod Pizza. Come on out and grab yourself a slice to support Key Club. The clubs meeting today are Academy of Modelers, Astronomy, ASL, Cosmetology and Self-Care, D&D, Journalism, Key Club, Poetry, and Speech and Debate. Meeting tomorrow will be ASB, Autotech, Chess, International, QSA, and the Realm Weavers Guild.
Well, that about wraps it up for today.
Oh, there is one more thing. As you know, there's a basketball game I forgot to mention. Today is Harlem Globetrotters Day.
And?
I don't know.
I think it's time to end the show. See you later, SK.